Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to use a tiny DB for transferring variables from one screen to another. So first let's get the tiny DB. You will have to open the storage tab and drag this tiny DB. Now let's go to the blocks part. Now we have to call tiny DB1 to value that is variable 1. We will need a tag. So I'm going to name it var1. The same thing I have to do when button 2 click. Now let's add the screen. Now here I am adding the label where it is written
Yes.
total code column space. Let's change the font size. Now let's align this to the middle. Here also the center. And let's open the block spot. Now here I am going to take a variable also named var2. Now here I also need a tiny DB component. So let's bring that. Okay. Now we'll have to call tiny DB1 get value dot is value 10 not there. Actually it's better to name it var1 as well. The tag is var1. And if the value is not there, to be 0. Okay, now let's bring the screen to initialize event. Now let's go to label 1, set label over it to the plus operator to label 1 text plus var1. Okay, this is a quick fix before testing it that we'll have to change these plus blocks to a join block. And another thing, we'll have to duplicate it here and duplicate this block as well and set global variable 1 to 0. Let's go to screen 2. Here as well, we'll have to change this to a join block. There is another quick fix. We'll have to change this label 1 text to score. So let's set it to score colon and don't forget to give a space. Let's certificate that. Here is scope. Now let's go to screen 2 and do the same. Now that's done. Now let's add the next button. Let's name it next. Set the width to 80 pixels. 80. It will be 80 pixels, not 30. Yes, let's make the font bold. Change the font size. Now let's go to the Blocks tab. Remember tab 3 click. Open another screen named Screen 2. Now that quick changes. Now I mark to add the back button. Click menu back. Select the change of one side. Make this one bold. Now let's go to the Blocks file. Then button 1 click. In the transport, open another screen named Screen 1. Now that's it.